Here we are on the ocean adventure. This is my first day here in Antarctica. We just landed a couple of hours ago on King George Island on the charter flight, which I'm posting a video of, so please look out for it. But here is our first glimpse of the first landing we're going to make, Deception Island. Don't be scared.
So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your historian here. And we're now making our final approach into Antarctic Meadows. So, to history has a few other names as well. The Dragon Cloud into the Caldera, the island, the island itself, the anchorage on the other side under this discovered. So quickly in that part of history realized an ideal location to settle within, seek some shelter inside as early as 1820. This is right at the beginning of that history here. You'll notice that we'll be staying close to starboard as the narrow opening 230 meters or so rise is not equally steep throughout. So definitely something to avoid. Unfortunately, the whaling catching ship rather did not avoid that rock, and hence why it has the name Bullnettle. It was able to get free, unlike the next ship to hit that rock, which was in New Year's Eve, 1957, and you can see the stern section of that ship, the Southern Hunter, roughly on the beach, on that port side, left side, and that Penobos ship, well catching ship, which is called navigation.
thought there was one on the other side.
We were looking through the window and we were...
Yeah, it was really cool.
Does happen to one of the tubes, we get bitten by something, or we run aground on a sharp piece of ice and part of the tube does deflate, the rest of the tubes will remain inflated and we'll be able to make it back to the ship. In the front there, in that little orange box, I have lots of safety equipment, things like that. And the only other thing to mention really is what happens, potentially there are two possible scenarios. The first one is that one of you lovely individuals decides to go for this place, cease being a whale factory, Alright team guys, just get ready guys, brace a little bit, here we go. Hey, whoa! Alright. Don't quite make it. Hang on guys, stay seated. Excellent.
You're a strong guy.
Yeah. Welcome to Whalers Bay, everyone. Yeah. Feeling well fed today?
Yeah.
Excellent. Okay, in a moment, I'll get everybody to exit the Zodiacs on either side, one at a time on either side, swinging your legs towards the sea. Okay. We're going to have an hour on shore here, and then you're going to go out for about a 40-minute Zodiac cruise. Okay.
Wow.
So you can see the relics of the old whaling station and the Bass Research Station. If you look past the dock where the ground gets a little bit, there's some lichen, it gets green. Just ask that you don't end up walking on that lichen. Don't go anywhere behind the buildings, up on the slope there. Stay out of all of the buildings. Some of these big oil drums, you'll see doors have been cut out of them, but still please stay outside of them. Put your life jackets into one of the life jacket bags here. You're welcome to join Birdie, who's just waiting over there. He's going to lead a walking tour once the first group is here. Probably be about 30 minutes or so, just going around the station and talking a little bit about that. If you don't want to join the group, you're welcome, just wander. Don't go anywhere past the airplane hangar, which you see in the distance. And there's two red flags and a cross just on the beach. They're a little bit difficult to see here, but don't go any further down there. All right, welcome guys, enjoy, swing your legs that way.
Okay, to be a sailor. They say that the men were made of iron and the ships were made of wood, and it's more the other way around nowadays. But they would come into here and they would anchor up and they would wait. And this is right at the beginning of our history, because what were humans interested in as soon as they arrived in these islands, the South Shetland Islands? Any of you know? Exploiting. Mm-hmm. Excellent, we love exploiting.
Oh my goodness.
Victoria is not the real name of this station as it started. It was a Norwegian company that took the lease in 1911 and 12 that summer to start building this station. I've anglicized it because it's a lot easier. It was purchased by British interests in the end anyway, so it didn't become andesite. But essentially you have the beginning of the station here. In the 20s they moved into fuel itself rather than coal. And then you have these water tanks at the back here. They would dam these streams behind me as well to collect the water, and they could also bore down. You might find some holes just in the ground. I think there's one just out this way somewhere. Try and find it. Just a borehole down.